Yeah, we use Epicor from quote to cash. Every step of our business rides on Epicor. So my name is Gerry. I'm with Jaylor. We're a manufacturer for ag equipment, mainly the cattle industry. So we've been running Epicor now since late 2009. Interestingly though, some of our key employees, management, that were not sold on the need or the benefits of an ERP, today are our strongest super users. They are promoters in the entire system. They are systematic, process-driven Epicor supporters today. Starting in the early days of the implementation, there are so many questions, and as we funnel it down, this is how we want it to run, that SixS was able to make some strong recommendations, not from a programmer's perspective, but from people who understood, in our case, manufacturing. One of the key things that we experience with SixS is their staff understood our business. I highly recommend Epicor as an ERP system and SixS Partners as the implementation and maintenance partners for anyone that is considering transitioning to an ERP system.